Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best dryer vent kit is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any laundry room, especially when you're looking to vent your electric dryer indoors, ensuring a safer and more efficient operation by preventing lint buildup and potential fire hazards, making it a crucial component for maintaining your appliance and home. Number 5. FUNMAS 3-in-1 Indoor Dryer Vent. Experience versatile cleaning with our 3-in-1 indoor dryer vent. It features a stainless steel screen, a polyester filter, and a water drawer system, allowing you to choose the best filtration for your needs. It effectively captures lint, dust, and pet hair, ensuring a healthier indoor environment. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply open the door to scrape lint from the screen or remove and wash the water drawer. The stainless steel screen is built to last, and the polyester filters can be easily vacuumed or replaced. We include 4 extra filters for your convenience. Our upward-facing air outlet prevents lint buildup in your ductwork. Plus, the warm air is recirculated back into your room, helping you save energy during colder months. This thoughtful design protects both your dryer and your home. A built-in safety vent flap alerts you when cleaning is needed by automatically opening. This feature helps prevent your dryer from overheating. You can calibrate the system with the included weights based on your dryer's power. For best results, connect it to an aluminum duct and install it on a flat wall or the side of your dryer. Regular cleaning, typically every 2 to 3 loads, is recommended. You may want to ensure good ventilation in the room while it's in use. What we like. This indoor dryer vent offers a versatile 3-in-1 filtration system, including a water drawer, to capture lint effectively. Its unique safety alert feature prevents overheating, making it ideal for those who prioritize dryer longevity and safety. If you're looking for a system that actively helps prevent issues and potentially saves energy by recirculating warm air, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to replace and keeps my garage clean. Added benefit: they help keep my garage nice and warm. This is nice to have in the winter to help warm up the house and makes your laundry room smell great depending on the detergent or dryer sheet you use. Easy maintenance. I can keep my dryer ventilation clean, and these filters work great for catching all of the dust and grime that my dryer shoots out. Number 4. NOORNY 3-in-1 Indoor Dryer Vent Kit. Introducing the upgraded NOORNY 3-in-1 Indoor Dryer Vent Kit. It's designed to efficiently capture lint and dust from your electric clothes dryer without needing an external hose. Our advanced system features 3 layers of filtration. First, water traps large particles, then steel mesh captures medium debris, and finally, a high-density filter removes the finest dust for cleaner air. This is ideal for apartments, condos, or homes without outdoor vent access. It helps maintain a healthy indoor environment by effectively filtering lint and dust. Crafted with premium quality materials, this dryer vent kit is built to last. It ensures long-lasting reliability and safety for your home. Installation is straightforward: fill with water, connect the hose, and attach to your dryer. Cleaning is also a breeze with removable filters and wipeable surfaces, taking only minutes. Enjoy the benefits of improved air quality with minimal effort. Its low-maintenance design ensures high-impact results for your home. What we like. This indoor dryer vent boasts an advanced 3-layer filtration system, including water, steel mesh, and high-density filters, ensuring a healthy indoor environment. Its built-to-last construction means reliability and safety for your home. If you live in an apartment, condo, or home without outdoor vent access and need a robust, easy-to-clean solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Setup was quick and straightforward, and it was ready to use in just a few minutes. The 3-in-1 design makes the product versatile and useful for everyday indoor use. It performs as expected, feels well made, and doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. After using it regularly, it's been reliable and consistent. The water bath and filter combo captures about 100% of the lint. This works well for that. Was very easy to install. The warm air is nice to keep inside. There has been no trouble with lint dust at all, and that was my concern. Cleaning is really easy: just pop off and clean out lint, put back on. Everything you need to connect to your dryer vent hose comes with it. This unit is the answer. Works great. Number 3. Dryer Vent Connector Kit with Quick Connect. Tired of struggling with dryer vent connections? Our innovative twist lock mechanism allows for quick connect and disconnect, making it incredibly easy to clean out lint and debris. Hooking up your dryer vent has never been simpler. Just screw the connector onto the wall and twist the hose into the adapter. It fits 4-inch tubes perfectly for a snug and secure connection. Experience an enhanced locking mechanism that ensures a tighter, more airtight seal. Say goodbye to vent tubes slipping off when you move your appliance. This 7x7-inch connector works perfectly to cover wall holes for your dryer vent. It provides a clean and professional finished look to your laundry space. Beyond dryers, this connector is ideal for various residential air duct solutions. Use it for bathrooms, planting rooms, table saw dust collection, and general air circulation. What we like. This dryer vent connector kit features an innovative twist lock mechanism for quick and easy hose connection and disconnection, simplifying cleaning. Its secure twist lock ensures an airtight seal, preventing hose slippage. If you need a simple, effective way to connect your dryer vent hose to the wall, especially if you frequently need to access the ducting for cleaning or repositioning, this is an excellent option. What people say. Easy to install, for screws included. One end with adhesive ring helped secure the vent connector securely, which helped air from blowing back into the room and sending it directly up the vent pipe to outdoors. It was easy to install and made connecting the dryer simple and secure. I also noticed it helped improve my drying time, which was a big plus. The vent hose sealed just fine by rotating it into the end cap. The end cap fits into the wall component with ease. Number 2. HOOMESUN 4-inch Indoor Dryer Vent Kit. Keep your home cleaner and your dryer running smoothly. This strap effectively catches lint before it enters your ductwork, ensuring optimal performance. Protect your home and family. By keeping the dryer duct clean, this essential accessory significantly reduces the risk of dangerous dryer fires. Get started in minutes with its straightforward installation. Maintenance is just as easy, simply clean or replace the filter as needed. The transparent lid offers a clear view of the lint trap. You'll know exactly when it's time to empty it after each use. This vent kit is perfectly designed for all standard 4-inch dryer ducts. It prevents lint buildup, safeguarding your entire dryer system. This comprehensive kit includes the trap, an 8-foot hose, mesh screens, clamps, and an installation manual for a complete setup. Constructed from high-quality, rust-resistant metal, it's built for long-lasting reliability. Enjoy dependable dryer ventilation for years to come. What we like. This indoor dryer vent kit comes as a complete package with the vent, hose, clamps, and screens, making setup straightforward. Its durable metal construction ensures longevity and rust resistance. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for your standard 4-inch dryer ducts and appreciate the convenience of seeing the lint trap status through a transparent door, this kit is a solid choice. What people say. Easy to install and works perfectly. Anyone that is having problems with extra lint clogging everything up, this is what you need. The glass door makes it apparent when this is needed. Since it is winter, I went ahead and coupled this lint trap with a 4-in-1 direct exhaust filter. The HOOMESUN dryer lint trap adds lint catching protection, keeping the direct home vent clean. The unit is well constructed, documentation is useful, and easy to install as a flush-mounted unit. Number 1. AMI Part 6 Stainless Steel Dryer Vent Cover. Introducing our premium 6-inch stainless steel vent cover. It's built to last, offering superior corrosion and rust resistance compared to plastic alternatives. This vent cover is designed to withstand harsh outdoor conditions without aging. Its robust construction also deters animals from causing damage. Experience automatic opening and closing with its internal pressure system. It opens when in use and closes when not, keeping your space comfortable and pest-free. The louvers effectively block cold air from entering during colder months. They also act as a barrier against mosquitoes and bugs when not in use. Perfect for a wide range of ventilation needs, including air conditioning, dryers, and range hoods. Please ensure you check the size before purchasing. We stand by our product with a 365-day return policy and dedicated customer support. Contact us with any questions for a prompt resolution. What we like. This upgraded exterior dryer vent cover is constructed from sturdy, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, built to withstand harsh weather. It features automatic louvers that open and close with airflow, preventing cold air entry and keeping pests out. If you need a durable, low-maintenance exterior vent cover for your dryer, AC, or range hood that also acts as a barrier against animals and insects, this is a premium selection. What people say. Works well, the flaps come down after the fan is turned off, plus there's a fairly fine seam to keep out bugs and other debris. I love how the louvers close when the conditioner is off and it looks great. The screen should prevent any bugs, beetles or bees from getting in. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.